Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to see the people who have liked your tweet on X, formerly known as Twitter. So this is how to see it. Open your X app. Do have in mind this could be in the comment section or a post you have made on your profile, anywhere. As long as it is a tweet you made, it can be anywhere. So if you want to see the people who have liked your tweet, what you have to do is to click and hold on the love icon, and it will bring out the post activity. You're going to see all the profiles that have liked your tweet. So that's how you see the people who have liked your tweet on X, formerly known as Twitter. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.